Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Perfect Forex, and today guys we'll be doing a quick top-down analysis of some of the synthetic indices commodities. But before that guys, for quite a while now I have been away from my channel, and it is due to the fact that I've been handling some personal activities. I've been working on some personal projects. That is why I have been away from the market. But guys, I am back dishing out the quality content, the valuable content you guys enjoy. So guys, quickly let's start with the analysis of BOOM500 index. Let's look at what the market is doing. Even though I have been away from my channel for a while, I haven't been away from the chart. I can't but just open the chart to look at what the market is doing. In fact, there are days I just open the chart without doing any analysis, without doing any breakdown, without taking trades. I just open the chart and just enjoy the movement of the chart. Just look at what the market is doing. Just enjoy the upward and downward movement of the chart. So guys, quickly let's look at what the 500 is saying. Let's just do a quick breakdown, as also we'll be looking into other commodities. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that doing your top-down analysis, you need to start your top-down analysis from a higher time frame. Now, for instance, now you'll understand that synthetic indices market does not have much history. Now, the synthetic indices market is not like the foreign exchange market that has been since donkey of years ago, since over, in fact, the forex market has been for more than 5, 10 years, 15 years now. So comparing the history of the synthetic indices market with the forex market will be a very, very, very wrong thing to do. So analyzing from a very, very high time frame, let's say from the weekly time frame or the monthly time frame, will not really give you the desired information you're looking at. Can you see, guys? I'm trying to move to the right hand side, to the right hand side of the chart, but the market is not moving because BOOM500 does not have much history. BOOM500 does not have much history. I think if you can, let me show you guys something. If you can look closely, you get to see that at this point, this is just 2022, March 2022. This is July, I see, 1st July 2019, 1st March 2020, 1st November 2020, 1st July 2021, this is March. So BOOM500 index market just opened some 3 years back, and funny enough, BOOM500 is one of the oldest commodities on this synthetic indices market. So guys, looking at this, it won't give you a very, very clear historical view to analyze from the monthly time frame and also even from the weekly time frame. So what you can do is go down to the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, you need to see the chart more clearer. You need to see the chart more clearer. And right now, looking at what BOOM500 is doing on the daily time frame, you get to see that BOOM500 is bearish. BOOM500 is bearish on the daily time frame, at least for the time being. For this period, BOOM500 is bearish. And breaking that down to the lower time frame, you get to look at why this is happening. Can you see? Can you see? If you've gone through my previous videos where I explained support and resistance, you get to understand that this is actually a resistance point in the market. This point is a resistance point in the market. Why? Because based on what I defined the resistance to be in my previous video, it is a point where price gets to and it refuses to go further up. You understand that? It's a point where price gets to and it refuses to go further up. And also a support is a point where price gets to and it refuses to go further down. That is an information I dropped in my previous video, so you can go back and watch that if you need that information. And I'm sure you do need that information. So guys, let's continue what we have today, what we have on our screen. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. As we've seen from the daily time frame, that BOOM500 is on a bearish move, and it is due to the fact that it is respecting a previous resistance point, the resistance zone. Let me just mark this point out. The resistance zone in the market. Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? It's actually a resistance zone in the market. Price bought into this zone and then began to drop to the downside. Now, breaking it down to the 1-hour time frame for entry confirmations, you begin to look out for personal entry confirmations. Personally, what I look out for in the market, let me see if it actually got to my entry point. Okay, it did actually get to my entry point, so I might not have actually taken this trade. But for those who actually use other means of analyzing the boom and crash index market, some people might have upped on this trade from this very point, or from this very point, depending on the confirmation reasons, and then continue to ride the market to the downside. But personally, I would not have entered this market if it were to be that I was waiting for it to give me a clear entry. This would have been one of the trades I would have just let go like that. So guys, breaking it down with lower time frame, let's see that price is reacting from a zone, from a resistance zone. That is why the market is dropping to the downside. So guys, owing to this fact, we might be seeing BOOM500 dropping to this zone. We might be seeing BOOM500 dropping to this zone. The drop started from 45010. Okay, no, 45. Let's see, we played out around 4,515 price point. I might be looking at it. We might be looking at BOOM500 shorting to at least 4,300. At least 4,300. And guys, that is owing to the fact that price is actually ranging right now. BOOM500 is actually ranging right now. It is on a sideward move. So it is on a sideward move. What it means for price to range is that price is not making either uptrends or downtrends. It's just making a sideward move. It is not bullish, it is not bearish. It is not bullish, it is not bearish. That is what it means for price to actually range. So right now, as you can see, price is ranging on BOOM500 index, and there's every tendency that price sells from this point down to this support region, down to the support region. Let's mark out the zone. Let's mark out the zone. Let me just quickly do that for you guys to see. We're looking at price. Okay. Let me use something else. We're looking at price shorting to this downside. So if you are actually on this trade, if you are on this move, then you'll be looking at taking your profit in this zone. You'll be looking at taking your profit in this zone. So guys, that's about BOOM500 index. As you can see, we've broken the market down from the daily time frame. We saw what it was doing from the daily time frame, saw that the market was on a bearish move, down to the 4-hour time frame, down to the 1-hour time frame to look for our criteria for sell. And this is actually our criteria for sell. Price is reacting at the resistance zone. So guys, you can also look out for other confirmation reasons, as using just one confirmation reason might not really hold every time. So what I do personally is I look out for at least 4 to 5, in fact 6, 7, 8 confirmations before I enter the market. But as it is right now, price is rejecting from just this one confirmation I'm looking at. That is this resistance point. And also let's see. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, that's that about BOOM500. Let's look at CRASH500. CRASH500 has been reading of late. As you guys can see, my chart is actually marked out. I have so many marked out points because I haven't been away from the chart. So as you can see right now, what I can actually see from this time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame of CRASH500, is that price is looking to push to the upside. Price is looking to push to the upside. Price is looking to push to the upside. I might be entering this trade from this point because I'm seeing a very, very sweet buy. I already saw my entry criteria at this point, and I am seeing a sweet buy at this point. Wow, this is actually nice. I'm seeing a sweet buy at this point, and I am anticipating that CRASH500 will buy from this point up to this point. This is my next take profit zone. So we'll be looking at CRASH500 buying from this point up to this point, guys. Up to this point, guys. So if you are seeing this video at this period, then it is not too late for you to up on the trend. You can just wait for price to do a retracement after breaking this trend line, because looking at this, you get to understand that this is actually a chart pattern. You get to understand that this is a chart pattern, and this is what? A bullish flag. This is a bullish flag. And once you see a bullish flag in the market, it indicates that price is about to continue to the upside. Price is about to continue to the upside. So that we'll be looking at price breaking this trend line, and there's every tendency that price breaks this trend line without coming back to retest this trend line. You can just break this trend line and continue to the upside until it comes to this next resistance point or this next resistance zone. And there's every tendency that price breaks this trend line and comes back to retest this trend line. Now, once price comes back to retest this trend line, that is what we're looking at taking your entry for those who didn't take this entry early enough. Because if I were to be in this market while this move started, I would have been entering the market from this very point, and enter this market from this very point, place my stop loss below this point, and let the market run. So if you are seeing this late, then hopefully the market retraces to this downside to retest this trend line and then continue to the upside. Then you can as well catch the entry from the retest of the trend line and buy to the upper resistance zone. Okay, guys, let's look at other commodities that we got today. Let's look at VIX75, because VIX75 is a commodity that many traders fear. VIX75 is a commodity that so many traders fear. In fact, in the synthetic indices market, people see VIX75 as the monster commodity. People see VIX75 as the monster commodity. Wow, this is actually a nice setup. Let's look at the daily time frame to be able to see what the market is doing from the daily time frame. So guys, after this analysis, after analyzing VIX75, we'll be stopping here so as not to make the video too lengthy. And also subsequently, I'll be dropping some technical analysis on also some other commodities for the profiting of all. So guys, you want to stay glued to my channel. Whenever I drop a video, you want to quickly come and utilize the information I'll be dropping in my channel. And also guys, before I do the breakdown of the VIX75 index market, I've been having some requests in my DMs of late of people requesting that I go back to the drop or to the making of indicator videos. If you started this year with me on this channel, you would have seen the video where I talked about me not dropping indicator videos till the end of this year. At least I won't be dropping any indicator video till the end of this year. But I've been having so many requests, and I've been trying to pay no attention to them. I've been trying to pay a deaf ear to their requests, but it is now becoming too much, and I feel I need to do something about that. I am not promising that I'll be going back to dropping indicators, but I will do something about that. Well, who knows? I might actually go back to dropping indicators, the profitable indicators you guys have been using. Because I have so many people coming to my DMs after I drop indicators Oh, thank you for dropping this indicator. I was able to raise $10 to $200. I was able to carry $50 to $150. I was able to do remarkably well on my small account because I don't just drop indicators. I also show you how to trade using indicators, how to do top-down analysis using indicators, because many people don't understand that these indicators lag. These indicators lag. They can't tell you what the market will do. Many newbie traders don't understand that. They feel like once price gets to this point and there's a MACD crossover, you just buy, you just sell. No, the indicators cannot tell you what the market will do. Indicators are actually they actually follow what market has done. Or let me rephrase that. They actually follow what the market is doing. So indicators show you what the market has done, not what the market will do. So guys, hopefully I'll be considering going back to dropping indicators for you guys. So hopefully my heart gets touched. So just pray that God touches my heart. Pray that God touches my heart so that I'll be able to go back to that. But then quickly, let's do a breakdown of V75 index. So as you can see on the daily time frame, V75 index is bullish. Reason being that it is reacting from this pivot zone. This pivot zone, as you can see, this is a pivot zone in the market. It's a pivot zone in the market. Okay, quickly, guys, let me quickly do a short marketing of myself. I am a forex trader, a forex mentor. I can actually coach you on forex trading, coach you on the synthetic indices market, and I will guide you step by step until you attain mastery. So if you want to sign up for my course or for my mastery program, my teachings, then I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram channel in the description box below. I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram channel in the description box below, so you can click on the link, join the community of traders, community of profitable traders. The community is fast growing. These guys are learning day by day. I drop free content there. I drop valuable content there. So you can join this. You can join my Telegram channel and hit me up on Telegram if you want to sign up for the mentorship program. So guys, that's that about the advertisement of myself. So quickly look at what this 75 is doing. It is buying at the moment on the daily time frame. So this is the 12-hour time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame. It is buying on the daily time frame, and it is owing to the fact that it is rejecting from a pivot zone. Now, what you need to do is break it down from the daily time frame, as I do, to the 4-hour time frame. I move from daily time frame. You don't necessarily need to move from the daily time frame down to the 12-hour time frame, down to the 8-hour, down to the 6 hours. You can just opt from the daily time frame down to the 4-hour time frame to see what the market is doing explosively, to see in detail what the market is doing. As you can see right here, there's every tendency that this candle closes bullish to continue to the upside. So guys, let's look at why we'll be entering the market either for a buy or for a sell. For a buy in the sense that we continue the flow with the market, or for a sell that we short the market to the downside. So then we look at breaking down to the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, there's really no reason why we will be shorting the market to the downside based on what I'm seeing right here in the market. There's really no reason why we'll be shorting the market to the downside for now. There's really no reason why we're shorting the market to the downside for now. Hopefully, we look at price buying to this point, and then respecting this resistance point. You look at price buys to this point in the market, respect this resistance point, and then further drops to the downside, to retest this support region, So guys, that's that about that on VIX75 index. Let's quickly look at the 15-minute time frame to look at if there will be reasons to enter the market to long the market. Right now, there's no reason to enter the market. It will be wise to actually join a moving trend because this 75 is already on the move. it is already on the move. So it would be nice to join this market at this point and then place the stop loss somewhere here, because the stop loss will be too wide. As you can see, this is already around 250 pips stop loss, 250 pips, and that is too wide for a stop loss. That is too wide for a stop loss. So we'll be looking at the market reacting. Okay, I think I am seeing something. We're looking at the market reacting from this other block, drop to the downside, either drop to this point to test this pivot zone, or come back to test this supply zone, and then continue to this upside. But anyway, the market decides to play out, we won't be entering this market. So guys, that's that about V75 index. That's that about V75 index. So guys, if you've actually gained something from this video, if you actually learned something new from this video, I'd like you to click on the like button, smash the subscribe button, and also do want to share the link to your friends and family. Let them know that something beautiful, something amazing is happening on my YouTube channel, Perfect Forex. And also don't forget to join my Telegram group, my free Telegram group, where I drop valuable content, I drop valuable things, I drop nuggets, I drop things that are actually helpful to the traders on my group. So guys, let's go together. I hope to see you next time during the next session, and also I hope to see you on my Telegram group. This is Perfect Forex, your friend, your brother, your favorite trader. Do have a great day, and God bless you.